Yeah, good evening, family. This is the Underrated Darkness. Oh, I went the wrong way. Hope everybody is fine. Um, Welcome to my channel, Underrated Darkness. Also, make sure the bell's lit. Also, share this. Very much appreciated. Also, make sure the ones that I did before, make sure you put the lights on it and everything. Gotta okay. I have PayPal also. Super chat. You want to donate and stuff like that. Well, things had went kind of all wild. Just last night, my last live stream, and I'm gonna make some changes, and I'm putting it out there. Okay. If I want to have a panel, I'm gonna handpick it. So if I don't pick you, don't take no offense. Okay? Because I refuse to let my panel or anybody get combined and everything. Okay? So it's going to be some changes of that. Now, to chop it up with Jay, chop it up with the darkness on round table. Anybody want me to chop it up, just let me know. You know, so do my put your email and one of my videos or live streams, chop it up, leave your number. I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna start doing that now. The fellowship dinner, I don't think I'm gonna do that every Sunday because I want to do something else. It depends case by case. So, letting you know right now, don't say, oh, I didn't get no email, I didn't come to the panel. I make the decision. And I don't question me why you didn't get on the panel. I do the picking. Like I said, I want new voices. A lot of things happen through the panel. I don't like that. I don't like it. So I had to bring order to my channel. Now, wherever you take it, that's on y'all. But I'm protecting my brand. This is my brand that I helped build. Where certain ones in the past had respect me. Sometimes us as a people, we have to rechange our thinking. We have to control our emotions. Goes me too. So I'm going to make some changes. Now, if I will have a panel of certain of certain issues, never know. But I'm gonna get back to like have discussions, and then I'm not gonna have a panel discussion. I'm just gonna leave it like that. God do what's right for me. I will do, and I don't know. I'm gonna try to squeeze out two lives a day. I don't know. It depends, but right now, in slow mo, I'm handpicking the panel. If I decide to have a panel, I'm handpicking the panel. And this is how it's going to be. So I hope everybody's doing all right. And I'm going to reach out to some people that want to do chop it up with Jay, chop it up with the darkness on a round table. See what's up with that. I don't know when that's going to start, but that's how it is. That's how it's going to be. So on that note, be safe out there. Get host.